Kaspa holders, please never do this. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris, and today we're about to do our daily update about what happened in the Kaspa price since yesterday. Also, we will see the rank, the market cap, the hash rate, the categories to the top 10 addresses. Then I'm going to move into the technical side of Kaspa and also into the technical side of Bitcoin. And we will close the video, guys, with a warning message of something that I see a lot. Almost every day I get comments like that. I get actually messages in my Patreon group for the people that do a mistake repeatedly. So I would like to warn you for this mistake, to avoid it and to do not do it again. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before continuing, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And guys, if you're a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload Kaspa videos where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around Kaspa and around the crypto space. So a subscription to my channel is going to be very beneficial for you. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with the Kaspa price, because as you can clearly see, guys, we are back to 12 cents. And yes, guys, we are 9.4% down since yesterday. The previous days, we had an insane rally of Kaspa up to 15 cents. And today it seems that the situation is reversing. You have been warned for this thing, okay? I told you multiple times, Kaspa can do a correction, and maybe this correction can be even bigger the next coming days. I will warn you for every possible scenario, okay? For every probable scenario that can play out, I will tell you all the scenarios, even if it's gonna be a pump or dump, everything, because I told you even yesterday that, guys, the current situation is not in our hands. It can happen absolutely everything. We can see a pump to 20 cents or a dump to 10 cents or even back to 8 cents. And also I warn you into my Twitter or X, call it as you would like, that personally I don't care about the current situation. I'm ready for everything. Like if the price will drop, I'm ready to buy. I do daily dollar cost average. If the price will drop into significant amount, okay, big decreasement, and I see a buy opportunity for Kaspa, I will buy massively, okay? Otherwise, if the price will pump to 20 cents, I will sit back, relax, DCA daily, and I will enjoy my profits. So the current situation, it seems that Kaspa is dropping. It was something that is obvious, okay? I can understand why it's dropping. Okay, that doesn't mean that people are selling. It can be like some people, whales maybe, are trying to manipulate the price to crash it down. Okay, these are things that are happening all over the time when especially big institutional investors are coming into a project. And also it's a healthy correction, okay? We are into big overbought position for a very extended period of time. So to see a pullback and actually serious pullback is a normal scenario, guys. We cannot stay like above this overbought position for like 5 months. Obviously, it will happen a big correction. I told you that, okay? So, will it happen now? I don't know, okay? Maybe it's gonna happen now, the next coming days, the next coming weeks, until the end days of December, to see like Kaspa in decreasement every day. That obviously will create, guys, lots of fad, okay? New fad will come around, fear, uncertainty, and doubt for Kaspa, and especially with a combination of Bitcoin, because also Bitcoin right now has a crucial role for the Kaspa price. If Bitcoin right now actually go back into the supports and break every support, we will see that in the technical side in a few. And actually Bitcoin will do a free fall back to $30,000. This obviously will affect Kaspa in a very negative way. Okay, maybe we will see a big correction, but if you're a serious investor, you know this is really good for us. This is really good because we exploit every single bottom, and I showed you that in the past, how me and my Patreon group WealthNet, okay, we exploit every single dip and every single fad. If you actually zoom in, you're gonna see that in every dip we bought, okay, in every fad we bought. Like you can clearly see, my first buy signal happened after this banana that happened of the first rally of Kaspa. I found Kaspa like early days of April. I waited. I didn't buy the top. Okay, I waited a lot and I bought my first signal when Kaspa broke this resistance, this downtrend resistance. And then, guys, I bought again the third signal. I mean, in the second fad here, head and shoulder pattern. Everyone was talking that the price will collapse into 1-2 cents. Perfect buy signal. And also in this fourth signal, it was a double top plus the war fad of Israel. And I bought in fourth signal, actually the bottom, precisely we bought the bottom in the WealthNet at 0.041 cents, the lowest point of this drop. Insane. So guys, right now I'm observing, okay, we will speak for the targets really soon in the technical side. So I would like right now to tell you about the rank. Guys, the rank remains 29. This is still brutal, okay? We are not backed by any top tier exchange. We are not backed by Huobi, Kraken, Crypto.com, OKX, Binance, Coinbase, and much more big exchanges. And Kaspa is standing among top 30 coins, okay? Top 30 projects, sorry. So as you understand, the top 50 projects, the majority of the top 50 projects are backed by almost all top tier exchanges. And Kaspa, look where we're standing in this current situation, still in a bear market in the crypto, okay, because Kaspa actually does a bull run right now. Anyway, in crypto terms and Bitcoin terms, we are still in a bear market, okay? We didn't overcome the bear market. Personally, the bear market can be overcome when Bitcoin will be in a new 88. So until then, we will be under the name of bear market. According to my approach, this is how I see the things. Anyway, market cap 2.6 billion, 2.7 billion, and with a combination of the rank and with a combination with the things that I told you that we are not backed by any top tier exchange, guys, imagine what's going to happen when we're going to be listed in all exchanges and also the bull run will start. I believe that we will reach, and mark my words for that. I did video in the past like Kaspa will hit 10 cents sooner than you think. Okay, if you go back in my videos, you will find that right now. We cannot see that. It's actually a little bit back. Here, Kaspa will hit 10 cents sooner than you think. So today I say to you, Kaspa will hit $1, okay, sooner than you think. I expect like to see that in the middle of 2024, like the next summer, okay, the summer that is coming. So as you understand, this is really soon to see Kaspa into this huge explosion. Until that day, it's not so far from here, like 6-7 months from now, to see Kaspa at $1. It can happen, guys, okay, it can happen. So prepare for that. It will happen sooner than everyone thinks. And let's go, guys, straight into the hash rate, because as you can clearly see, hash rate right now is standing in the same as yesterday. I mean the 88, 67.90 petahash per second. The current hash rate is 66 petahash per second. And guys, as I told you, for those who don't know, end days of November, early days of December, we will see more ASICs. Okay, more ASICs will be delivered into the Kaspa miners, and Kaspa miners will plug in these ASICs into the Kaspa network, and computational power will be increased. I believe we will see 3 digits by the middays of December, so prepare for that. And next reduction we have in 15 days to correct something again twice, because I also yesterday I announced that, and I would like to repeat that because I said something wrong for extended period of time. Guys, Kaspa actually does halving once a year with monthly reductions, okay? Instead of do once a year the big reduction, actually does 12 smoothly reductions. This is why I actually call that monthly halving, but it's not monthly halving. It's wrong phrase, okay? It's not the correct phrase. Actually, in some way, it's the same, but it's better to say things with their name, okay? So once a year halving, but with monthly reduction, okay? This is the emission schedule of Kaspa, and also the emission schedule is pretty fast, because you can clearly see almost we are like 74.53% mined. Okay, the total supply is out. 74.53% is out from the maximum supply only in 2 years. Okay, this is huge, because this shows how rapid is the emission schedule of Kaspa, and is rapid because it's super smart. Okay, very soon each Kaspa coin will be super scarce. And let's go straight into the addresses and into the categories, guys. In the addresses, as you can clearly see, we had some accumulation since yesterday. We had more addition into the Kaspa addresses, and those addresses, the last 24 hours were 517 crab addresses, 326 more octopus addresses, 34 more fish addresses, 50 more dolphin addresses, 6 more shark addresses, and we lost 1 whale. Okay, and let's go, guys, straight into the top 10 addresses. As you can clearly see, KuCoin is standing with 936 million Kaspa coins, and in the page actually 9th, sorry, you will see another 21 million here. So if you do the calculations, you will see that KuCoin is still above 950 million Kaspa coins, heading straight to be Aquamon, and I believe it's gonna be there. It's a matter of time. Get.io actually in the same position as yesterday. They lost from this wallet like 6 million Kaspa only. Yeah, maybe it was a withdrawal. And Uphold is a little bit more up than yesterday, 7 more million up. Mixi actually has 2 wallets. They split out the one wallet that they had into 2 different wallets. Okay, you can clearly see 318 million in the wallet number 4, and the number 6 has 206 million Kaspa coins. The rest addresses are absolutely the same. And right now, guys, let's go straight into the technical side of Kaspa, because right now I know you want to listen, Chris, how low the price will drop, okay, and what will happen next. Because some people, you have fear if this situation can collapse a lot. Some other people that have more correct mindset would like to buy the dip. Okay, so in this current situation, guys, Kaspa, it seems that is reversing. Okay, so I will show you all the supports that you must pay attention here, and I will start with this current reverse move of Kaspa, guys. The next coming days, we have like the next 3 to 4 days. If this situation will continue, we will get like in the area, most likely scenario is to touch the 11 cents, okay, and retest this brutal support, this very aggressive uptrend support. And this is gonna play a crucial role, because if, guys, we're gonna break that, we're gonna get lower. Maybe with big dump, okay? Maybe with big dump straight to 0.09392 cents. It's gonna be like this, this support, okay? The previous resistance right now it's gonna become a support, and we're gonna come here with another crucial support. If this support will break, okay, we will get lower into the previous uptrend movement support. If you actually zoom in, you will see that here Kaspa actually started an uptrend movement and suddenly spiked insanely, okay, but it's still an uptrend support. So we have here 3 touch points. The first touch point is going to be the 10 cents within 11 cents. Okay, we don't know exactly where it's going to happen this retest, okay, of the support. If this will break, we will get firstly to 0.093 cents. If this will break, we will get lower. Like, this obviously won't happen overnight, okay? Just know that this will happen over a period of a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month, who knows, with maybe some ups and downs, okay? So here, the worst case scenario, if also we're gonna break this 0.093 cents area, is the 7 cents area. This is my worst case scenario, and if this will happen, it's gonna be the ultimate like discount for Kaspa. Like, I don't believe that Kaspa can go below 7 cents from here. 7 cents is the worst case scenario with some whale manipulation, with some very big shorts, with leverage to push the price very, very low. Okay, just for the institutional investors to buy again very, very cheap. Because, okay, from here, from 14 cents and 30 cents, if the price will drop to 7 cents, it's actually double price. Okay, they can actually have discount 50 the half price. It's insane. It's big. Okay, this is big discount for institutional investors. Okay, it's another to buy with the same amount of Kaspa with 50 million investment, and another to buy the same amount of Kaspa with 100 million investment. Okay, I mean for the big institutional investors. Anyway, so I believe that the price will drop here to 7. It can happen to 7 cents, and then we will start building another bullish momentum. Okay, another bullish territory, another bullish move that will skyrocket the Kaspa price to 20 cents. So worst case scenario 7 cents, more likely scenario with more odds to play out 0.075 cents within 0.085 cents. It all depends. So let's get back to the other scenario. Okay, back to the scenario that actually from this support of 11 or 10 cents, Kaspa, guys, has a probabilities to bounce. Okay, I would like to say that again. We have two scenarios. Either we're gonna break this support and we're gonna get lower, or either we're gonna bounce to the upside. I don't say that Kaspa will go into a correction. Okay, I warned you for that scenario multiple times. If you go watch my videos, and people misunderstood what I was trying to tell you, that Kaspa has probabilities to do a retracement. Okay, it has probabilities for a retracement. Price cannot go always up. We can obviously see 50%, 60%, 40% down, 30% down, depends, always depends, the current situation. Anyway, so from here, if you're gonna see Kaspa back to 11 cents, either we're gonna break that or either we're gonna bounce on that. Okay, everything can happen. Have this in your mind. I repeat that again, everything can happen, everything can happen. Okay, some people don't understand sometimes what I'm trying to tell you. So everything can happen, guys. I don't say that Kaspa will drop to 7 cents. We can bounce from here. Okay, more likely scenario with my rational thinking is to drop, but we can bounce too. Okay, I just repeat some things because I will be misunderstood again. Anyway, everything can happen. Put this very well in your mind. We just observe, guys, the chart and we act accordingly. Okay, personally, I do dollar daily cost average. I don't care for the short term. If the price will drop and give us this great discount at 7 cents, I will buy massively. You will get my buy signal immediately in the WealthNet. This is where I educate the people to do not have FOMO in the tops, to have FOMO in the bottoms, because if you see Kaspa at 7 cents and actually you bought with all your funds, with all your capital in the top, and you see suddenly Kaspa at 7 cents, you won't have money to buy this opportunity. You actually double priced, paid the Kaspa coin because you had FOMO. Okay, I get FOMO in the bottom because I have FOMO for the price to do not get up, to buy as much as possible before actually the explosion, as we bought here in the past. Anyway, right now let's go into the Bitcoin, because guys, to happen a scenario like Kaspa to 7 cents, we will also need the help of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has also very crucial supports, okay, in front of us. We have like this support, this uptrend support of approximately $36,300. If Bitcoin actually will drop further from this current position, actually we're gonna have to retest this massive support of this uptrend. If it's gonna break, that's signal of a bigger correction. Okay, and guys, if we also gonna break this $35,500 that was previously a resistance, we retest that and we bounce from that, and also we actually break it, I will expect, okay, I expect a lot to see from here free fall for Bitcoin, free fall back to $32,000, $33,000 or even lower. Okay, that obviously will affect Kaspa in a very negative way. This can also create a free fall in Kaspa, like to drop it back to 8 cents, 9 cents, or even lower. Okay, this can also affect in to break like this support of 10, 11 cents, and also maybe then support of 0.093 cents. So we will keep observing that. And as you can clearly see, also Bitcoin is in a bearish divergence. So from the technical side, the traders maybe right now are sorting Bitcoin. And yeah, guys, we have probabilities to see further correction. As I told you, everything can happen, at least for Kaspa, because fundamentally, if like in a week from now, Binance will list Kaspa in spots, no matter the situation of Bitcoin, no matter the situation of Kaspa, no matter if we have the most bearish charts and patterns or whatever, the most bearish breakouts, if Binance will list Kaspa spots, Kaspa can explode. Okay, put this also in your mind. And this is exactly what I would like to tell you from the technical sides of Kaspa and Bitcoin. And guys, let's go straight into the most important thing of the video. And this is the title of the video also. Please don't do this. Okay, never do this. The thing that you must never do is actually, guys, the swing trades. I saw lots of guys, like every day I get comments, Chris, I did swings and I lost my money. Chris, I did swings and I lost 30% of my Kaspa holdings. How I can recover this? And even I saw swing trades from a couple people that lost all their Kaspa balance. Okay, I saw a couple comments that from the people that were even early Kaspa investors. They bought Kaspa at 1 and 2 cents, and actually these people, they lost everything. Market is unpredictable. Big moves, like instant big moves with pumps and dumps, can happen all over the time. Okay, it can happen even if it's good or bad, like pump or dump, we never know. It can happen like instantly. Never do swing trades, like maybe because they don't have big amounts of money to invest and because they focus too big while they have got like small amount available to invest. This is the trickiest thing. People, because of that reason, they try, and plus they are greedy, okay, they try to become next millionaires like in 2 weeks, in 1 month, in 5 months, in 1 year. You won't be millionaire if you don't have to invest right now above $10, $20, $30,000, okay? You won't become a millionaire by 2025. This is the reality, the hard truth. You need to admit that and say, look, I won't become a millionaire in 2025, but I will become a millionaire by 2029. Okay, I will change my life by 2029, not in 2025. This is the trickiest thing. People that don't have big capital to invest, they try to become the next millionaire. You won't become the next millionaire with these hurry and gamble moves. People are messing the gamble with the investment. Okay, it's two different things. To do swings, you're actually gambling, especially when you use big leverages. To invest in meme coins, just to swing back to Kaspa, you are gambling. Even if you win the trade once, I can guarantee you, if you will continue to do that, you will be broke. You will lose everything. Because the mindset is wrong, okay? You play with the probabilities that are negative. It's the same way to go in the casino and play roulette, okay? Roulette is actually turning, and if it catches your number, it's going to give you 30x of your initial amount that you put there. This is exactly what you are trying to do right now. Like, seriously, if you are a serious investor and you would like in the next coming years to build serious wealth, and not actually lose your precious money, you should invest in Kaspa. You should buy in every good opportunity and hodl. Okay, you must learn to have patience. You need to build this patience. Patience is the best ingredient to win in crypto, because in reality, if you don't have patience, you're a gambler. Okay, you cannot actually sit down and wait. People cannot wait. You need to learn how to wait. You need to build this ingredient like patience, and you shouldn't be greedy, because it's gonna lead you to do gamble moves like swing trades, to invest in meme coins, to invest in low cap gems, to over diversify instead of put your precious money and wait for price appreciation. I recommend you, to everyone who has like low capital right now, to invest in Kaspa. Just buy as much as you can, as your capital allows you, okay? Invest in projects like Kaspa, that you know where it's going, especially if you know what you're investing, okay? If you have already did your investigation around Kaspa. And I recommend you guys, not financial advice to all of these things, but I recommend you to go out and work more. Do overtime in your job, okay? Go in part-time jobs, do side hustles, whatever. Try to sell unnecessary things over your home. Gather and raise as much cash as you can, and buy each single drop of Kaspa and wait. Kaspa is still early. Kaspa will still give us great entries, okay, great opportunities all over the time, and has insane future, very bright future. Kaspa will be above 1 trillion market cap. Okay, you can look where it's standing, 500x from now. If you're willing to wait, it's 500x like maybe in 2029. Okay, from here it's like 6 years from now. If you actually can wait, your life can change. And especially if you will be able to trade that and swing trade in the peak of the bull run, take some profits and reinvested that. And this is, by the way, the only swing trade that I recommend you. This is also what we're gonna do in our Patreon group. You will enter again with higher amount in a lower price, but in the proper time. And you actually compound that. And if you do that in every bull run, you're always gonna compound that by a lot, okay? And if you won't become like a millionaire by 2025, if you will enter in the next bear market with like 6 figures, okay, that's gonna bring you massive wealth in 2029. That's gonna make you multimillionaire. So this is exactly what I would like to tell you guys. This is the video. This is my warning message. This is what you should never do, okay? You must avoid every kind of swing trade, every kind of gamble investment into the crypto, because it's gonna set you broke instead of being wealthy, okay? You are not in the right path. Please never do this again. That's a video, guys, for today. Also, don't forget to check my Patreon, WealthNet, because WealthNet is a group that's designed to help you build a proper crypto investing mindset. WealthNet is my Patreon group, guys. It's a Discord community where you're gonna find like-minded people. We have very elite investors inside of WealthNet, multimillionaires, crypto YouTubers, crypto experts, whatever you can imagine, business owners, everything. We speak for lots of things, not only for crypto, like for taxes, for crypto taxes, for whatever you can imagine. Really useful to have a team that are sharks, okay, not streams. You will be in a team with sharks. Also, we have private live streams almost every day. You should join if you are looking to learn lots of things. And in WealthNet, you'll learn from experienced people that have already succeeded in the crypto field and right now enjoy wealth life. And through this experience of those people, you'll avoid mistakes. If you are able to listen, you won't repeat the same mistakes that we did in the past. So you will be in a very advantaged position to exploit this experience of the other guys and be 10 steps beyond other people that don't have this knowledge, okay? And for the people who like to join via lifetime in the inner cycle of WealthNet, guys, you'll have furthermore benefits, and the payment is via crypto. You should send an email to wealthnetcrypto@gmail.com with a brief introduction for yourself, and we will review that, and we will be happy to welcome you if you're eligible to be in the round table of WealthNet. And for the people who ask me, Chris, where you store your Kaspa, where you store your cryptos? Guys, I store my Kaspa in a cold storage. Tagem wallet is my recommendation. I believe is the best cold storage to use, okay? And with the discount code CryptoChris, you will have 10% off in your purchase. If you click here, the link of Tagem, it's gonna put you straight into the site. Up right in the corner, press get that gem. It's gonna put you in that page. I recommend you 3-card set is safer. You have one more option to lose a card. Don't forget to put the promo code CryptoChris to get also the extra 10% off, and you will sleep very well in the nights with ultimate safety. So that's the video. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment, guys. It means a lot to me. And I will see ya in my next video. And until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.